Okay, I'm gonna count that as a win. We did it. As you guys know, Disney is celebrating its 100th year anniversary. In honor of it, I am going to do a 100th celebration challenge. I am going to attempt to go from Space Mountain to Splash Mountain in 100 seconds. Will I be able to do it? I don't think so, but I'm gonna try. I like to consider myself a pretty fast walker. Putting my fast walking skills to the test today. Let's see how fast I can go. If you guys know of any secret routes or fast passages or anything like that, please go ahead and leave them in the comment section below and let me know. Okay, are we ready, guys? 3, 2, 1, go. Here we go. We're going. We gotta dodge all these people. Oh my God, it's a full incoming. Whoa, here we go. We're moving. 15 seconds in, I don't like the look of this. This is bad. Okay, here we go, come on guys. Passing by. I'm gonna duck behind these guys. As you can see, I am trying to fly behind people. Okay, all right. Walking fast. Woo. Here we go. Keep going. We got this, guys. Passing by here. As you can see, I am whizzing past just about every possible guest that I can see. There's the castle. I'm gonna try to get a view of that as we walk by it. Okay. Oh man, this is not looking good. Passing through. Oh man, all the people are lining up for the parade. That might be advantageous. There's the castle. Three, two, one. Ads. 3, 2, 1. That was not even a little bit close. I barely made it past the castle. Oh my gosh. And I might as well have been running because you could see how fast I was moving past people. On a brisk walk, you can get from Space Mountain to the castle in about 100 seconds. So Space to Splash, almost impossible, not gonna happen. We're gonna have to try a smaller, condensed version of the challenge. Space Mountain to the Matterhorn. We're back at Space Mountain, and then in the distance, we see the Matterhorn. Can we do it? Okay, ready guys? 3, 2, 1, go. Here we go. Walking around. Oh yeah, this is a way more wide open area. Look at that. I think I'm able to cut through there. Here we go. Okay, not doing terrible on time. Come on, we got this. I can see it. I can see it in the distance. Here we go. Uh-oh, we got a bottleneck. I'm gonna have to weave. Okay. I think I made it. Hold on. Whew. Okay. Made it. With a little time to spare. All right, you can tell I'm sweating already. Let's try another one. If I can cut across back way of Fantasyland, there's a chance that I could get from Matterhorn to Big Thunder. I'm just looking at this right now, very, very nervous that I'm gonna run into someone. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, I had a good start. Oh yeah, that's looking wide open. Two cups. Woohoo! Okay, come on in. Here we go. Flying in. Oh no, it's bottlenecking. Okay, here we go. Do you feel the dead stop? Okay, not giving up, not giving up, not giving up. There's Dumbo. Say hi to Dumbo, everyone. Here we go. Dodging strollers. Oh my gosh. Okay, we got 40 seconds. Oh boy. We're moving, we're moving, we're moving. Oh my gosh, these bottlenecks are killing me. Oh man, oh man. Running out, running out. 10 seconds. Do I see it? Do I see it? Boom. Okay. Okay. I think that counts. Because I can see Thunder Mountain. I think that counts. Okay. I'm going to count that as a win. We did. Those bottlenecks, man, they're no joke. Whew. So the last one that I want to try today is going to be Thunder Mountain to Splash Mountain. There's really only one direct route from Thunder to Splash. So I don't know. Okay, so here is the entrance to Big Thunder Mountain, and Splash is over in this direction. That does not look promising at all. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that's beautiful. I got a nice, sweet opening right here. Okay, I'm actually gonna try to go down by the river to avoid the bottleneck. Up here. Oh, if I'm able to cross on the river, that might actually help me. Sorry. Okay, so if I can get over there, so if I can get in front of the river here, there's a chance I can make it. I love those certain situations where I'm like shuffling around and I can't actually get through people. I'm gonna cut the line here. Okay, boom. Okay, so instead of going up that way where Pirates is, I'm gonna go straight down here. Oh man, oh man, oh man. I am booking it, I am booking it. But I've only got about like 30 seconds left. Whew. Okay, I'm gonna have to keep going, keep going, keep going. See Haunted Mansion. Oh man, I don't know if I'm gonna make it, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh no, 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 no. Passing it, passing it. Oh man, I got 10 seconds. I got 10 seconds. Oh man. Boom. Okay, wait, there it is. There it is. I'm only a few seconds short. There it is. Okay, I made it. I made it. That totally counts. That totally counts. I'm gonna take that as a win. That was awesome. Whew, we made it. I caught that. That's pretty good. It wasn't exactly 100 seconds. It was a little over 100 seconds, but I think that's a win. Whew. Okay, that was a cardio workout. So overall, I would say that it was pretty much impossible to get from Space Mountain to Splash Mountain in 100 seconds or less. It was fun to know that you can get from other mountains to other mountains in under 100 seconds. That was pretty fun. We went from Space Mountain to Matterhorn, Matterhorn to Big Thunder Mountain, and Big Thunder Mountain to Splash Mountain. This was the 102nd Mountain to Mountain Challenge. Thank you guys so much for running around with me today. I really appreciate it, guys. Once again, Disney, happy anniversary.